Hey guys, it's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. I just wanted to give you a tour this morning of one of our mega wide, mega nice, mega great deals. This is called the Javelin. I would love to hear your comments, love to hear your thoughts. This home is available in our region, which is Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and New Mexico. We would love to chat with you if you're looking for a home in any of those areas. Give us a call. My direct line is 325-480-2014. Love to have you give me a call if you get a chance. You can also send me an email at billw@oakcreekhomes.com. So let's flip the camera around. I'll kind of show you around in the Javelin. Okay, so this home, when you come into it, I'm going to step over here to the front door and let you kind of see. It's got a really, really nice front living room. Got a built-in LED fireplace, dual thermal pane windows, a set of 3 of those across the back. And then the beam ceilings with the ceiling fans overhead, super, super nice. And gives it a really, really great look. And then what I really like is this kitchen. Just a gorgeous kitchen here, showing it off with the moonlight cabinets with the accented canopy range hood, built-in microwave, just a lot of really great feature in this home. Plenty of workspace, a really, really nice island. And then you come back around to the other side of the kitchen with the big farm sink and stainless steel appliance set. This home has an 8.5-foot tall ceiling. It's done with the LED lights all the way through the home. The 2-inch mini blinds are standard. Of course, you've got the brick backsplash back here and the stainless steel farm sink. And just another look at that front living room. Really an elegant space. Really, really like how it all works out. They've done the vinyl plank flooring through here. So you've got really ease of your flooring care. Cabinets are done with the drawer over door feature here in the kitchen. And then one thing you don't often see is you've got a dedicated dining area. You don't often get that in a single section home. Even though this is a mega wide, it is still single section. Nice dining area back here. And then you've got the utility room. Utility room has space for the dual set for the washer and dryer, overhead shelf, and then another space back in here for a freezer area if you'd like to put a freezer back in. We'll take a walk back into, I'll show you one more time. This is the dining area. We'll take a walk back into the primary bedroom. Another really nice feature in here, it's a big, big bedroom with plenty of space. Again, that vinyl plank flooring, big thermal window. And I'll try and give you a perspective of this room if I can get back over here and kind of pan around. But it is a really, really good sized room. Also done with the ceiling fan. Now, these ceiling fans are controlled on a rheostat over here on the wall. So you can control your light and your fan speeds all from the wall switch. It's got a good walk-in closet. Now, these are wood rods, wood shelves, go all the way through, and that theme continues all the way through the home. Come back into the primary bathroom. You're greeted with the dual vanity sink. And these vanities are a little bit taller. They're about a 36-inch height. Then you've got the big soaker tub here behind the door. And you got the big picture window, brings in the extra light. And then also the elongated commodes and the 48-inch single-piece fiberglass shower. I'd be happy to show more detail on this home. If you'd like to see more about it, please drop me an email, billw@oakcreekhomes.com, or give me a call, 325-480-2014. Happy to show you around and get you a floor plan. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center doing another review of one of our mega wide homes called the Javelin. You can see this home and more like it at our website at oakcreekabilene.com. There you can always check into current pricing and current floor plan availability. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your comments. Have a great day.